The life of this world has three parts. It's like getting on a train, and you got 3 stops to make. So your ticket has 3 parts. When you start out, you're given a ticket. The ticket has 3 parts. So while you're in the womb of your mother with no consciousness at all, this is one part of your trip. And when you're born, you enter the world. So one part of the ticket is torn off and thrown away. You will never get that ticket again. No refunds. That ticket is gone. That part of the journey is over. You will not go back to the womb. It's a one-way trip. One ticket, one part of the ticket, gone. Then you're in the life. From a child till you're an adolescent, teenager, young adult, mature adult, middle age, my age, others among you, more than that. Until we meet the grave, death and the grave. So when you die, the moment that you die, and all of you will die, another part of the trip is over. And that part of the ticket is torn off and is gone. You will not return back to this life. Nobody has. It's over. So the womb is over, and the earth is over, and now you're headed towards the tomb. The womb, the earth, the tomb. When you get to the tomb, that's another trip. And you will be on that trip until you are raised back up by the one that sent you into the womb, into the earth, and decreed for you to go to the womb, to the tomb. When you come out of the tomb, another part of the ticket is torn off. That is it. It's finished. Now, another trip, another life, another existence, another time, another vehicle, another place will take place for all of us. 3 parts. The womb, the life, the tomb, the hereafter.